Sorry it's so quiet. It's usually never this quiet here, which is the best part about this place, is that there's always something going on, and today there is definitely something special going on. So we've got our awesome field staff from Nissan Canada, NCF is here, and all the executives, Gertej, Human, Steve Ryan, and they have a little something that they want to say.
So good afternoon, everybody. My name is Steve Ryan. I'm the Vice President of Sales for Nissan Canada. And it's my great privilege to present to you, on behalf of Nissan, the Nissan Award of Excellence for fiscal year 2024. And I'll take a second here just to talk a little bit about it. It's a pretty incredible honor for you, and in recognition of the amazing efforts that you've put forward over the past year to win this award. There's only 20 winners across the country. We have 210 dealers in the country. And in addition to that, your store is also a global award winner, which means it's one of the top 10 dealers in the entire country. Pretty incredible accomplishment. And from our side, what it means really is that it's an incredible team. It takes this whole group. And I mean, we're talking from reception to technicians, the service team, parts, the accounting team, sales, used car, I mean, the whole group. It takes everybody to really accomplish this, because it takes day after day looking after the customer, doing the right thing for the business throughout the entire year, 12 months. And that's not an easy accomplishment, and it can't be done alone. And so it's, again, my great honor on behalf of our whole team at Nissan Canada to present this award to you. And of course to thank and recognize Salim and the Prestige Auto Group, Joe David for his leadership with this team, just a fantastic group. And as we see up here, you guys have done this before, you're not strangers to this. So again, congratulations, and we'd like to present you with this award for 2024. To both of you, yeah, it's together. You got it? Yeah, you got it, okay.
It's on behalf of all of you.
Just don't drop it. It's your ass if you do.
I will do it one more year then to get it back.
Yeah, that's how it goes. You know, some of you have been at this store since before Prestige took it over, before I got here. And we won this a few times, my first couple of years. And then we kind of shifted our model a little bit and decided to go into a different direction. But no matter what we've decided to do, whether it was, you know, go for these awards or try to take our business to another level, you guys have always put your best foot forward, jumped in and said, let's do it. Whatever it takes, let's do it. And so a long time ago, I created a chain link when I first started, and I put everybody in the service drive-through and showed how many people it takes to sell one vehicle and to service one vehicle. And it literally takes every single person in this building. So if one chain link is broken, the entire operation fails. And so last year, we sat in a ballroom in Vancouver, or in Whistler, while these awards were being presented, and I knew our name was not going to be called. I got up and I walked away from the table. I couldn't look at Jim and Salim knowing that our name wasn't going to be called. And actually, when I sat with Gertej and Human, he said, "What are you doing here?" "Well, I can't sit over there. We're not getting this award." 5 minutes after the presentation was done, I walked back over, I put my arms around both of them, and I said, "I promise you that no matter what happens next year, we will have this award." And I can't really promise anything else other than the work that we put in, the time and effort that we can control. And I'm proud to say that, you know, what I promised you came to fruition. And it wasn't because of me, and it wasn't because of the building. It's because of the DNA of this place, and that's all 45, 50 of you guys. Without any of you, none of this is possible, and you're all just as valuable, if not more valuable, than the person standing to your right and your left. So this trophy, though wherever it sits, but those banners have your guys' names on them forever. And it might not be that spectacular to you guys, but to me, you know, having a banner and having a trophy is the ultimate prize. You know, checks can get cashed, money comes and goes, but winning is forever. So this is for you guys, and congratulations.
I guess I'll do a little tap dance. First of all, congratulations. One of the most important things I remember at your Christmas party that you invited the field staff out, and we said, let's win it this year. That was back in, when was it? December. And you did it. You did it. That's really, really amazing work. You have no idea how many dealers want to achieve this goal, win this award, and they can't get there. But you guys made a commitment to yourself, and you were so close last year, and you did it this year. That's 365 days this year that you worked hard, because you come here on Sundays, you clear the lot, you get it ready for Monday during the winter time. So everybody works really hard. It's a great team togetherness that you have here. And one of the things I like to say that's very, very important, even though I deal on the sales side, I started my career with Nissan in the fixed operations side of the business. And I'm telling you right now that this department is the key. So I congratulate the technicians, the advisors. I don't know about the fixed operations manager. Where is he? What's that? Okay, just kidding. But I congratulate you guys in taking care of the customers, because you sell the next car. Okay, the sales department has to do a great job, of course, but without a strong service department taking care of customers, they wouldn't be coming back. So everybody, congratulations. Well deserved. Again, congrats.